Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2019 Galeon 485 HTS. As you can see, I'm standing on the transom of this beautiful yacht with a full beam submersible swim platform. And on the starboard side of the platform, it actually will deploy for 4 steps going down and into the water. Kayaking, paddle boarding, very, very easy to board. As we take a step up through the companionway here, beautiful arrangement, table layout, wraparound U-shaped seating. But Galeon does everything a little bit differently. It's from the ground up construction on this boat, everything from the teak that you're seeing to the upholstery to many of the stainless steel fixtures and fencing is all done right at the Galeon manufacturing facility in Poland. Let's take a step into the Salon. So again, a beautiful layout here in the Salon. Galeon's really done a great job. Nice whole side windows, tinted sunroof. And if you look closely, this is actually kind of a transformer model. We can take the cockpit and transform it here, pressing a single button, and the cockpit layout is now an open layout. Never before or will you see something like this on any other motor yacht in this size 7 and Express. It's truly something different by Galeon. Looking to the bow, notice there's almost no obstruction on this windshield. It's a full one-piece windshield, no stanchions, very, very open. But what you can see here is this beautiful sunroof. Nice and tapered down so you get plenty of airflow through. And just a lot of, again, natural lighting and real beauty by Galeon. To the helm here, nice companion seat. Plenty of adjustments for any type of captain, owner, operator. But this particular boat is powered by the IPS Drive 600. So you've got a lot of maneuverability just with the joystick, spinning the boat, side shifting the boat. It's really a great system for any owner-operator, single owner. Great vents here at the helm, nice AC. Of course, what would any helm station be without your cup holders, Volvo Penta display, digital controls, and then probably the best feature, in my opinion, for a single owner-operator is a starboard side window. So easily be able to look behind, shout out to your guests up top or instructions. It's just a great thought process by this manufacturer. Again, paying special attention to detail on their stainless steel, all of their piping, all of their teak is all done at factory. And a lot of the components down below we'll see are the same. Woodworking and metallurgy is second to none on this build. So looking at the upholstery, triple threaded, diamond pleated stitching, triple threaded on all of the seams. And again, your whole side windows are all to match. So squared off versus square versus round. Plenty of garage hinge style storage on top. And look at the height here that we have. It's really, really something different on this size of motor yacht. The material that is on the side, this plush material, is called Alcantara. It's made actually in Italy and is the only piece that the manufacturer outsources. But easy to wash, easy to maintain, and just gives a really beautiful feel, texture, and look to the motor yacht. Something different to notice. Hardcore, nice wooden doors with a gasket on all of the seams on the inside. So when this shuts and we're underway, hitting some waves or chop, there's a no rattle door and a no rattle handle here. Take a step to the VIP. So 2 stateroom boat, really, really comfortable VIP. It's the size of probably a full-size bed. And again, paying attention to the storage, you have a garage door hinge up and storage down below as well. So really optimizing the storage on the boat. Again, notice the woodworking up top, this beautiful sunroof coming down below for all of that natural lighting. not feeling very cramped here, so it's really nice and open and inviting to a guest. You have your closet storage on either side as well. You step out to the companionway here. Beautiful day head. Perfect for any guest or just at the sandbar. That's where your guests are going to go. And then, of course, your dinette table here. Look at this galley. So again, sparing no expense from Galeon, but the finest quality materials, the finest woodworking and metallurgy, nice hard top, great use of storage, and of course your whole side windows with natural ventilation. Plenty of storage, a refrigeration system, convention, stovetop here. The master, being full beam, has plenty of space for really those long excursions, even for this size of motor yacht. And because of the pod drive, is able to bring that master stateroom back. So beautiful, you know, headboard here, sconces on either side, and plenty of storage on the inside. What I always point out on a Galeon is we have that Alcantara material that's wrapped even on the inside of all the compartment places. Plenty of headroom again, and the beautiful squared off whole side windows, so you wake up in the morning and you're staring at the shimmering of the water on the ceiling. Nothing better than that. The master head, separated shower, plenty of natural lighting, even the sunroof on the top. Take a step back up to the cockpit area. Look how open this is. An open salon feeling, day boat, bow rider feeling. You got a lot of, as you can see and hear, the wind coming through. But it's just a beautiful layout, something different. Galeon's designed a line-free segment here so that when the line is in use, can be tucked underneath out of the companion walkway. Again, metallurgy done at factory, railings in, handrails done at factory, and plenty of gunnel space as we make our way to the bow. As we look here, we do have filler cushions, but you have a manual sunshade that's going to pull out and fill this whole area in with shading. And what would any motor yacht be without a dance floor on the bow? This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the Galeon 485. And if you'd like to see more information, come check us out at www.marinemax.com.